Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie and yeeps. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. For pie, you'll need flour, butter, sugar, fruit, and spices. For yeeps, grab flour, sugar, eggs, milk, and a leavening agent. Ensure you have mixing bowls, measuring cups, a rolling pin, and baking pans ready. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's start with the pie. Begin by making your flaky crust. Combine 2 1/2 cups of flour with 1 cup of cold, cubed butter, then add about 1/2 cup of ice water. Roll out half the dough for the bottom. For the filling, mix your favorite fruit like apples or berries with 1/2 cup of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon. Pour it into the crust, then top with the remaining dough, crimping the edges. Next, let's create our delightful yeeps. In one bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. In another, combine 1 egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for tender yeeps. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Place your pie in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. For the yeeps, bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until lightly golden. Let both the pie and yeeps cool completely on a wire rack before slicing or serving. Enjoy your homemade delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.